Hey guys, so I just finished up filming this makeup look tutorial. It'll be on probably before this video is posted. But now I'm going to do my hair really quick before I go over to do hair and makeup before the first night of prelims. How I separate my hair just kind of really depends on how much time I have. Sometimes I don't separate it at all, but for the video I will. My hair is actually pretty dirty right now. I've just kind of killed it with dry shampoo. I've been using the Batiste in Beautiful Brunette, and I actually really like it. I always kind of thought it was like, I don't know, hyped up product, but I've been using that and I really like it. So I get it from Walmart because it's cheaper than buying it from Ulta, but whatevs. So I use the Babyliss. Sorry, I'm already starting because I actually have to hurry. But I'm using the Babyliss tapered wand, and I think it starts at like 1 inch and then goes to a 1/4 inch. I just got mine from Amazon. I'll link it below so you guys, if you want to pick it up, you can. I couldn't find it in Ulta, and I couldn't find it at like Cosmoproof. And so I just had to order it online, but I really like it, and it curls really, really pretty, not only for short hair like mine, but long hair too. I usually have these curls last me a few days, which helps having short hair because I don't want to have to do it and style it every day. Sometimes I do it in bigger sections, sometimes I do it in smaller sections. The smaller sections usually last longer and are usually like give me a curlier look, so I can usually, how many times am I going to say usually? I can normally get a few more days out of the smaller curls because they're just being heated up more. But I usually, sorry guys, that's gonna be annoying. Play a drinking game out of how many times I say usually in this video. I'll just take this piece and wrap it around a couple times, maybe 3 times, and then I leave the ends out. Partly because I like the beachy wavy look, and then partly because I'm trying to save my ends so I don't fry them. I actually need a haircut because it's getting kind of long for how I want it. I don't want it this long. But I usually, there you go, another shot everybody. We'll take each piece and curl them backwards. So it's kind of like that Farrah Fawcett look, but you can interchange how you curl them, like which way you're curling it. It'll just give you even more like messy, I woke up like this look. But out of habit of how I always curl my hair, I just twist them back. I know the back ones are kind of hard for you guys to see. I'll probably end up like cutting a lot of like my in-between out because I know that you guys don't want to sit here and watch a video of me just curling my hair for 30 minutes, but yeah, so what's up? Okay guys, so I'm on my second layer here of curling, and I've still been curling all backwards, like towards the back of my head, and I'm just, yep, still doing the same thing. As far as like products and stuff go while I do my hair, it just kind of depends how my hair is doing that day and what I'm like wanting my hair done for, like how long I need it done. I usually use Freeze It hairspray. You can get it at drugstore, Walmart. It's cheap. It's like $4 or $5, and it works really well. I like it a lot, especially for the price. And then if I'm wanting it to like be glued down or like as a finishing hold spray, like, and I don't want it to move for hours, then I'll use the Got To Be Glued from Bedhead, I think. That's another product that I learned from Chastity from Unique Beauty. It's awesome. It literally doesn't move. So it's not one of those hairsprays that you have like, oh, I'm gonna spray my hair and then all of a sudden I want to brush my hair out. Like, no, you can't do that. You need to know that it's gonna be locked in tight. Wow, my hair was just like falling apart right there. Did you guys see that in the camera? How it's like breaking off? That's cool. Hopefully it's just from my brush. Okay, so this is the last little bit. I'll split these front two into little pieces. And I usually will count to maybe like 20. Or sometimes I just don't count and I hope for the best. And I hope I'm not going to be one of those little video memes of that girl breaking off her hair with that wand. God, that would be terrifying. I try to pull out my bang a little bit to like stretch it out so it's not like so curly cute at my bang. And it kind of like rides down like that. But sometimes I forget and all of a sudden I have like a really curly bang. I'm like, awesome. So I have to redo the front a few times, but that one turned out well. Sometimes I'll try to like do the top more so there's a little bit more volume coming out. Yeah, like that one I totally didn't count. I was just kind of like hoping for the best. I try to do the top in bigger chunks so I don't look like Shirley Temple. And I feel like my hair stays better now that it's either A, short, or B, that I'm doing it with a wand all the time. And so like when I had curly or when I had long hair, I would like wait forever. See, what the heck is that? I would wait forever to like wring out my curls and try to like have them hold as long as possible. But as soon as I'm done with my hair, I always just brush them right out. I'll either brush them out or finger through them. So I'm just trying. I don't have a good feeling about this one. Yeah, see, it does that. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, get it together. Do you ever talk to your hair and you're like, what are you doing? I raised you better than this. Okay, that'll be good enough, right? Okay, and then I just go to town. I literally look like Shirley Temple at first, but throughout the day it'll fall and it's not this like big. But this is my hair at first, which I kind of actually don't mind that much because I feel like I have an afro and I love that. Sometimes I'll just go through with a brush to like really brush it out. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'll usually spray through with some Freeze It spray. And then Dane just got me hooked on this. It's a texture spray and it smells like men's cologne. I think that might be the only reason why I like it, but it smells like men's cologne and it's a texture spray, so if you feel like your hair is just like either too dry, too clean, or just needs like a little bit more hold but without like the straight up hairspray, then I would suggest that texture spray from Chi. It's awesome. And I don't think I'm gonna need it today, but another product from Chastity that I really like is this Architecture little pomade. It's awesome. I'll use it on like flyaways and stuff, or just like really frizzy hair, because sometimes actually I could probably I could probably use some right now. I don't know why it just sounded like that, forgive me. So I just take a little bit, because I find that if I put too much product on my hair, it just gets really greasy and really hard to work with. So I just put a little bit through just to kind of tame it. And then there we go. I kind of look like, what's that guy? Robert Stern? Is that a person? And I've been really into like flipping it over lately. I don't really know why. I feel cool, maybe. I don't know. I like it. It's like edgy, and I feel like I'm not an edgy person at all. So when I flip my hair over, I'm like, ooh, so cool. I don't know. But I'll probably end up just putting it down the middle today because I flip my hair back and forth a lot. So we're going to just start in the middle and see where it ends up. But this is my look. I'm going to take you guys over to my window so you can see it fully done. But that's how I do my hair. It's super fast, super easy, and honestly, see, I'm already flipping it. It holds really well with that wand, and honestly, I find the less product I put in it, the better it is for like the next day, because it doesn't get as crunchy or crispy or like, it's harder to brush out. So the less product I put in, the easier and softer it is just to like touch it up for the following day. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that, like that, learned something from it. Let me know if you guys have any comments or questions, suggestions. You know the drill. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.